A SOLIDWORKS Task Scheduler is included as an external application for each version of SOLIDWORKS. There are, however, limitations on the SOLIDWORKS CAD Standard version, and for this demonstration, I'll show you what it looks like from a SOLIDWORKS CAD Premium perspective. The application allows you to set up tasks to run at a future time. You can see from this list there is an extensive list of tasks to perform. Conversion, updating, importing and exporting, as well as printing these items are just a few to mention. It can take you a mere few minutes to set up and save you so much time. Let's go and update or add a custom property. We will be able to first choose the files that we would like to implicate or change. Then we can add the properties and their values that needs to be checked or created. Once we've added our custom properties, we can run the application and check if the property exists, and if not, to add it with a specific value that we have specified. We can also do other things like generate all the drawings of an assembly and its components. We can add all the items we would like to generate drawings from, like the different parts and assemblies. We can also specify the specific drawing template that we would like to make use of. This will help us save time when needing to make basic drawings with attached views to it. And of course, if your drawing template is set up correctly, it will also display any predefined dimensions that are drawing ready. There's a lot more that you can do with the SOLIDWORKS Task Scheduler. This was just a quick overview. In a future video, we will do a deep dive into other options that's available in the Task Scheduler. Thank you for joining this video.